Today we are going to make the most famous Italian pasta dish. We probably cooked this one like 1000 times. And you're not a proper Italian if you don't know how to prepare pasta al pomodoro, tomato sauce pasta. And even if there are only a few ingredients and no complex procedures, we have many variations in Italy. But today we want to show you pasta al pomodoro, the best 2 ways we ever tried. And that's how we do it. For the first pasta al pomodoro, we need to go back to Sicily. We stayed in this amazing castle hotel facing the sea, and we were lucky enough to taste this pasta with the freshest Sicilian ingredients. We used this Sicilian tomato sauce, high-quality spaghetti, extra virgin olive oil, fresh basil, 2 garlic cloves, the zest of an organic lemon, a couple of anchovies to add saltiness, and creamy ricotta for the topping. Let's start by heating up some oil in a pan. We will saute the garlic and the anchovies to make a tasty base for the sauce. The oil will get a garlicky aroma and the anchovies will melt in a few seconds. It's so hard. Then it's time for the tomato sauce. Pour it gently to avoid oil squirts. Then add some water into the bottle and shake it very well for no food waste and also to dilute the sauce. Add the basil leaves and season the sauce with pepper and salt to taste. Give it a good stir and cover it with a lid. Let it simmer for about 20 minutes at low heat. Remove the garlic and add some more fresh basil. Let me have a taste. So hot. Let's cook the pasta then. Remember to cook the pasta in boiling water with a handful of salt. Drain the pasta directly in the sauce using a cooking tongs. And let it cook in the sauce for the last couple of minutes to enrich the flavor. Plate up your pasta and add a spoon of ricotta cream, a drizzle of olive oil and some lemon zest. Finally, decorate with a cute basil leaf and you'll have a perfect Sicilian pasta al pomodoro. For the second recipe, we need to go back to the famous 3-star Michelin restaurant Da Vittorio. They made their pasta al pomodoro a signature dish. Ingredients are easy, we use cherry and datterini tomatoes. The pasta served at Vittorio's is paccheri, a large tube-shaped pasta. Then we need aglione, a large garlic clove, 50 grams of unsalted butter, olive oil, salt, pepper and basil to taste. Then 70 grams of grated Parmesan cheese. Heat up some olive oil and saute the garlic cut in half. Add some chili pepper to your taste. Then add all the tomatoes. In the end, season with basil, salt and pepper and let it simmer for 15 minutes until tomatoes are soft and juicy. Remove the garlic and mix everything up with a food blender until the sauce will be smooth and silky. Now, you can really skip this part, but I think it makes the sauce smooth and even more delicious, so you have to try. Grab your chinoise, this kind of sieve, and filter the sauce. Let's do it. Pour the sauce in the chinoise and help yourself with a spatula to speed up the filtering process. Only the tomato skin and seeds will be left in the sieve in the end. Look at the color and texture of this sauce. Wow! Time for the paccheri. Cook your pasta in salted boiling water. Add a drizzle of oil to avoid the pasta from sticking to the pot and mix everything up. As we did before, finish to cook the pasta in the sauce. And don't forget to mantecare, which means to add butter and parmigiano, and stirring continuously to help combining all the flavors. You have no idea how creamy this pasta is. I love it! Let's make a toast to
pasta
pasta
al
al
pomodoro.
pomodoro. So where do you want to feel, Nick? In Sicily or in Bergamo?
I think I'm going with Sicily.
That's great because I wanted the packery anyway.
The sweetness of tomato, the freshness of basil leaves and lemon zest makes me feel in Sicily.
That's great too. It's like a Michelin star pasta dish. It's amazing. You gotta try this one and this one too. And if you like it, don't forget
To like and subscribe.